Alright, here's how we install the wiring harness. For the power, feed it through under the fuse box, under the main wiring harness, to the side of the battery. And bolt it in right there. Next, take this part and bolt it right here. After that, take the ground and bolt it to the other side shown here. Now take this part and plug it into the wire that comes out of the headlights. And this orange one will clip into the ballast. Now we move on to the other side. For the ground, it's going to be the same thing, just bolt it to the other side shown here. And just like the other side, plug these wires into the headlight and the ballast. And after that, you're all set.